We are now going to do a video on the calibration of directional and bidirectional repeatability of the 1630. Again, this is a 10th indicator. You see we're just about zero. Little over 1/10. We'll go out here to the 200 mark. Right around 2/10. We'll check this 150 mark again. We're right at the zero. Go back to the zero mark, and we're about that 1.5 tenths. So it's no more than 1.5, 2 tenths directional and bidirectional repeatability. That's really good. This machine's just been serviced. I haven't got it all back together. You can see a good condition of the ways, no wear at all on them. I'll get this tool changer back up and we'll get you another video. Thank you.